Good morning students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your places. Myself Shweta Mudgal, a representative of Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota. Today we will start with GK, so take out your books and pencils and fill the correct answers with me in a very neat and clean handwriting. That is chapter number 25. We are talking about games and sports, football mania. All the question based on football. Football is an outdoor game played by two teams having 11 players each. Okay, a competitive game also known as soccer. The aim of each team is to score more goals than opponent team by putting the ball through the opposite goal post, by kicking or hitting the ball by head. Now, number 1. Which famous footballer left Tottenham in 1992 to join Japanese Nagoya Grampus 8? This is the name of a Japanese football club and the name of a player is Gary Lineker. Number 2, listen to me carefully. On a football pitch, how many yards away the penalty spot should be from the goal line? फुटबॉल पिच में जो पेनल्टी स्पॉट होता है वो कितने यार्ड्स दूर होना चाहिए गोल लाइन से? 12 यार्ड्स. इन विच ईयर वॉज द फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड कप हेल्ड? इन 1930. वॉट वॉज द नंबर ऑन द बैक ऑफ जर्सी? जर्सी वो जो टी शर्ट पहनते हैं. दैट बोथ मैराडोना एंड पेले सेड वॉज लकी. अकॉर्डिंग टू दैम दैट नंबर इज लकी. दैट इज नंबर 10. Number 5. Who managed the first English side to win the European Cup? Matt Busby. B-U-S-B-Y. Matt Busby. Number 6. Which English football team is nicknamed the Hornets? उसका दूसरा नाम, वो इस नाम से भी जानी जाती थी. कौन सा नाम? Hornets. Which English football team is nicknamed the Hornets? That is Watford. Number 7. Which is the only country to have played in every World Cup since it started in 1930? जब से ये स्टार्ट हुआ था उसके बाद से अभी तक हर बार खेल रही है, वो कौन सी कंट्री है? ब्राज़ील. Number 8. The book Macaque was about which ex-Liverpool footballer? That is Steve McMahon. Number 9. Which European football club is nicknamed? Again इसका दूसरा नाम है La Vecchia Signora, which translate, इसका क्या मतलब है? The old lady. किसका? La Vecchia Signora, which translate as the old lady. That is Juventus. Number 10. By which name is Edson Arantes de Nascimento better known as? ये नेम है लेकिन इसको हम पहले, अभी हमने पहले वाले क्वेश्चन में भी पढ़ा था, इनका नाम आया था पहले. ये इस नाम से ज़्यादा जाने जाते हैं. Which team plays soccer at Old Trafford? That is Manchester United. Number 12. Who was the first professional soccer player to be knighted and when? That was Stanley Matthews in 1965. Next is India's first. सबसे फर्स्ट हम इसमें डिस्कस करेंगे जो इंडिया ने अपना अचीवमेंट किया है फर्स्ट. Try to answer the questions given below to check for yourself how much you know about first in India. This is very interesting chapter. Let's start it. Which was the first Indian built passenger aircraft? सबसे पहला इंडिया का पैसेंजर एयरक्राफ्ट बना था, वो कौन सा था? एवरो H5 748. Number 2. Which was the first Indian made war tank? वॉर टैंक था विजयंता टैंक. Number 3. Which was the first Indian supersonic jet warplane? Supersonic high speed, even higher than the sound, speed of sound, that is H-24 Marut. Number 4. When did first radio broadcasting start in India? Broadcasting means transmission of programs or information of programs through radio. That was started in 5th July 1923. We will start about TV broadcasting also. Number 5. who was the first Indian woman to be crowned as Miss World? जो मिस रीटा फेरिया थी ये फर्स्ट मिस वर्ल्ड थी अभी तक की. Now number 6 we talked about radio, same TV broadcast. It was started in 1959 and as we talked about the radio broadcasting that was started in 5th July 1923. Now when did the Indian postal system start function? What is postal system? It makes easier for people to send letters, telegram and parcels to any address. That was started in 1854. When was the first fully air conditioned train? पूरी fully air conditioned train introduced हुई थी इंडिया में 1956 में. Number 9, when and where in India was the metro train first introduced? हमको पता है मेट्रो ट्रेन दिल्ली में, कोलकाता में चलती है और जयपुर में भी चलती है. 1984 में स्टार्ट हुई थी कोलकाता में. Number 10, which is the first indigenous feature film of India? That is Raja Harishchandra. That means originating. Indigenous means originating into a particular place. 11. When was the electronic voting machine first used? Electronic voting machine, it was used in assembly elections in 1999, जिसमें कि इलेक्ट्रॉनिक वोटिंग मशीन आप लोगों ने देखी. इससे पहले बैलेट पेपर यूज किए जाते थे. 12. Which newspaper was first published in India? सबसे पहला जो न्यूज़पेपर पब्लिश हुआ था इंडिया में वो था बंगाल गैजेट. Now students, thank you. Fill it carefully.